Sakit sa ulo yung init. Okay. Let's go na tayo mga my dear. Hello, hello, hello mga my dear Taurus. Hello mga my dear. Kumusta po kayo? Ayan. And this is going to be your second half of April, my dear. Meron kang death card. Meron kang death card. Second half of April 2025. This is from April 16 hanggang sa katapusan mga my dear Taurus, and this is a general reading. Okay, before ako mag-proceed mga my dear Taurus sa ating reading, I would like to say thank you so much mga my dear Taurus sa lahat ng nag-pray, sa lahat ng nagpaabot ng tulong. I would like to say naging successful po ang ating gallbladder removal. Hindi pa po tayo 100% talaga na okay. At least we are functional. And I would like to announce also mga my dear Taurus na as of this moment, lahat po ng private reading ay out muna tayo. Wait na lang po tayo sa announcement kung kailan po tayo mag-resume. Okay? So mga my dear, let us proceed. We have here the death card. Okay? Sa energy ng death card, I can feel my dear na meron kang tinatapos. Okay? Meron mag-e-end sa'yo my dear. Meron mag-e-end, meron magko-close. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito sa card na to. I can feel that you are starting something. Para meron kang i-start na something sa card na to. Okay? So let's do this. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, posibleng yung mag-i-start, my dear, ay may kinalaman sa money. Sa combination ng dalawang card na to, my dear Taurus, I can feel na parang more money is coming sa'yo, okay? I can feel na parang merong mag-e-end sa energy ng death card, okay? Something is ending for you, my dear Taurus, okay? And blessing, okay? Money, opportunities, abundance, my dear, ang parating sa'yo, okay? Sa pagko-close nitong something na to, hindi pa ako sure kung ano tong something na to, my dear Taurus, pero nagko-close na siya. And I can feel na more money is coming for you, more abundance is coming for you, my dear Taurus, sa energy ng Ace of Pentacles, okay? So, let me see. Okay, the Nine of Wands. For some of you, my dear, nagkakaroon kayo ng struggle, okay? Based on the energy or feeling ng card ng Nine of Wands, my dear, I can feel na yung iba sa inyo is little bit lost. Okay, medyo parang hindi pa ninyo nararamdaman to. Malamang yung iba sa inyo is question mark. Okay? Paano? How? Parang ganon. Okay? So, yes, yung iba sa inyo talaga is questionable. Parang nagka-question kayo. Ano yung mag-e-end? Ano? Pera? More money? More abundance? Yes, my dear. Based on the card, sinasabi dito, my dear, na meron magko-close. Okay? Posibleng struggle mo in life. Posibleng problema mo na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal. I think, just go with the flow. Okay? Just go with the flow, my dear. Yun na lang. Kung hindi mo pa nararamdaman to, just go with the flow. Huwag ka masyadong mag-anxiety. Huwag ka mag-overthink. Just embrace yung mga change na mangyayari, my dear. 16 to 31. And papasok na lang siya. Okay? Yun na nakukuha ko dito. Kasi meron kang Nine of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, merong something na parang hirap na hirap ka talagang i-digest. Okay? Kung baga sa pagkain, hirap na hirap kang tunawin. Okay? Next, my dear Taurus, let me see. Joke ba to, Taurus? Ace of Wands. Okay, meron talaga mag-new beginning, my dear. Wag mong paglabanan, my dear. Wag mong paglabanan. Pag hindi na talaga nag-i-exist, posibleng meron mga tao, posibleng meron mga tao or merong mga cycle na kinakailangan talagang baka meron mga tao because this is death card, okay? This is death card, my dear Taurus. So, posible din meron mga tao na kinakailangan na mawala sa life mo, okay? Hindi naman literal na as in machuchugi sila or mamamatay sila. Pero, parang they have to go, okay? Sabi pa nga nila, para pumasok yung bago, kinakailangan kang, parang sa cellphone, di ba? Parang sa mga messages, files, and everything. Siguro, my dear, as of this moment, you are full memory. Parang full storage ka na. And kailangan mag-delete. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko over here. Ace of Wands. Meron kang dalawang ace over here, my dear. And parang sinasabi dito sa combination ng dalawang card na to, kasi nauna to, parang sinasabi sa combination or sa energy nitong dalawang card na to, na parang just go. Just go. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, wag mo lang paglabanan, my dear Taurus. Just go. Just let it flow. Just let it go. Parang ganon, di ba? Yun ang nakukuha ko. We have here 3 cards. Next card over here is the 8 of Swords. My dear, 4 cards na yung nasa table, 8 cards lang tayo in total. Nasa clarification na tayo. So, itong 8 of Swords na ito, my dear, which is energy ng trap card, is clarification to or additional message ng death card. Okay? So, if you're gonna see, if you can see, okay? So, ayan siya. Okay? So, if just, teka. Yung 8 of Swords is energy ng trap card. Okay? So, if just in case nag-struggle ka, may problema ka, that is trap card, that is 8 of Swords. You're surrounded with negative energy, ang dami mong problema lately, patong-patong na problema, hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari. Sinasabi dito, 16 to 30 ng April, hanggang sa katapusan, my dear, ng April, dahan-dahan to mag-change. Of course, hindi to dramatically na parang paggising mo, taran, okay na lahat. No, dahan-dahan siya. This is the starting point. 16 to 30 ng April, dahan-dahan siya slowly. Once again, clarification to, my dear. Ano mag-e-end, ano magde-death is yung trap card. Something, if just in case meron sa inyo nagbabayad ng mga karmic cycle, meron kayong mga karma na pinagbabayaran, or sabihin natin meron mga curse or mga something sa inyo, it will be gone. Mawawala siya, my dear. Kasi this is a trap card. Okay? A very perfect combination, my dear Taurus. Okay? So, next is the 2 of Pentacles. Okay? So, sa energy ng 2 of Pentacles, my dear, I can feel yung cycle ng pera, okay? I can feel na may konting struggle pa rin talaga sa usapin ng pera. But anyway, parang meron ibang flow or parang may ibang energy, my dear. Posibleng additional source of income, posibleng motivation sa trabaho or something. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear. But if you can see, my dear, dito sa ating 2 of Pentacles, maalon yung background. So, there's a tendency, my dear, na baka meron pa rin talaga mga distraction sa'yo. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, wag mong paglabanan. Wag kang mag-resist. Okay? Don't resist. Okay? Wala akong problema sa 2 of Pentacles at all. Ang problema ko is yung alon sa background kasi posibleng distracted ka, my dear. Isa ka sa mga zodiac sign na distracted ng emotion ng outside environment. So, I just hope and pray sana, my dear, na hindi ka ma-distract, my dear, ng emotion ng ibang tao or ng drama ng ibang tao or ng eksena ng ibang tao, my dear, outside your circle. Okay? But anyway, this is a really, really good sign, my dear, kasi sinasabi dito, my dear, that you can actually multitask or you can actually balance kung ano, my dear, yung problema na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal. Ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya mo siya, carry mo siya. Okay? So, nandun pa rin, my dear Taurus, may problema pa rin sa usapin ng pinansyal, pero at least medyo nababalance mo siya, medyo natotroubleshoot mo siya, medyo nakakagawa ka ng paraan para maayos yung usapin ng pinansyal. Once again, sa energy ng tao, they have to go. Kung tinatanong mo sa akin, si ganito, si ganyan, si ganon, definitely, kung talaga nagiging tinik sa'yo, my dear, yung tao na yon, that person has to go, that energy has to go. No, baka yun yung pinaglalabanan mo over here sa energy ng 9 of Wands. Okay, clarify natin, my dear, para mas maliwanag yung energy. The Page of Swords, okay? So, I can feel, my dear, na parang nagdadalawang isip ka. Ay, ito yon combination ng dalawang card na yon. Parang nagdadalawang isip ka dito sa energy na to, okay? Parang, I can feel na parang you are not sure, okay? Hirap ka eh. Hirap ka talagang gumawa ng mga changes lately, my dear Taurus. But sad to say, meron talagang kinakailangan magbago. Strategy mo sa buhay, energy mo, mag-change yan. Pero, once again, hindi talaga yan mag-change, my dear, ng 100%. Once na hindi mo talaga in-accept na kailangan talaga niya mag-change. Once again, opening card mo is the death card. Ibig sabihin, kinakailangan mong gumawa ng ending. Okay? So, walang magbabago kung hindi mo babaguhin. Kahit nasabihin, my dear, ng mga cards natin over here that, yes, ganito ang mangyayari sa energy ng Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands over here, na maganda yung parating sa'yo or nag-i-start magbago, my dear, yung life mo. Kung ikaw mismo, you are actually pinaglalabanan mo yung mga changes na yan or ayaw mo tanggapin or ayaw mo i-digest, my dear, yung mga changes na yan. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Okay. Last card, my dear. Last card. Last card for you, my dear. Clarification ng Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you have 2 cards for this. 2 cards ba? Yes, 2 cards for this. Yes, babasahin ko siya. Ace of Pentacles over here. Ace of Wands pala, sorry. So, ang Ace of Wands kasi, normally, it is a new beginning, new energy. Minsan, nagbibigay sa akin to ng energy na parang yung phoenix na ibon na nasunog and then naging abo na. Tapos, eventually, naging ibon ulit siya and parang naging mas malakas pa ulit siya if you know the story of the phoenix na ibon. Okay, yun ang lagi ko nakukuha dito sa energy na to. And Ace of Pentacles is just energy of abundance, new opportunities, nag-uumapaw na blessing, okay? So, sabi dito is the 4 of Wands, the stable energy. Aangal ka pa. 4 of Wands is energy of stable. Upuan, 4 ang bahay, merong 4 sides. Lamesa, merong 4 sides. Upuan, merong 4 legs, rather, okay? Lamesa may 4 legs. Chair, merong 4 legs. Bahay, merong 4 na corners. Okay, this room has 4 corners. Okay, very stable yung energy ng 4 of Wands. Okay, so sinasabi dito, my dear, once na inaccept mo itong change na ito, you will be okay. You will be okay. Magiging okay lahat. Okay, bonus card niya is the Ace of Cups. Wow, freedom. Okay? Hinakot mo halos lahat ng Ace. Ace of Swords na lang ang kulang. Okay? So, look. Confirmation, my dear Taurus. Congratulations, my dear, for a very, very beautiful reading. Pero once again, teka lang. Once again, hindi ito magmamanifest once na you are still in denial. Bottom deck of the card, speaking of the Ace of Sword, eto siya. The King of Sword. You are giving. Oh, kasama niya Tower moment. My dear, may kinakailangan talaga magbago. Okay? Ang Ace, King of Sword, Ace of Sword. King of Sword is a very intelligent na king. Okay? So, I think, tingnan natin yung sumunod. Yeah, 3 of Wands. Okay? My dear, kailangan meron magbago sa buhay mo. You need to let go. There are some changes na kinakailangan mangyari sa buhay mo. Or else, kung ayaw mo gumawa ng changes, as long as hindi ka lang makikipaglaban, may ganun ka na ugali eh. Minsan, nandiyan na nangyayari na pinaglalabanan mo. Okay? Pero I can feel, my dear, 16 hanggang sa katapusan, my dear, you are changing. Okay? Makikita mo, my dear, yung physical na changes sa'yo, yung inner na changes sa'yo, my dear, maliban na lang talaga kung paglalabanan mo talaga siya. And yun, my dear, yung magiging way para papunta doon sa, sabihin na lang natin, okay na buhay or stable na buhay. You have the Ace of Pentacles, you have here the Ace of Wands, you have here the Ace of Cups, okay? So, tapos, kinonfirm pa dito na ang magtatapos is may kinalaman sa struggle mo in life. Okay? So, ganda. Okay? So, mga my dear Taurus, masakit na lalamunan ko. So, mga my dear Taurus, yan ang reading mo para sa yung second half of April. Somehow, mga my dear Taurus, kung nagustuhan mo ito, especially kung napadaan ka lang, don't forget to subscribe. Pakiclick ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa aking mga upload. Kung napapanood mo to, my dear, sa ating YouTube channel, and of course, mapapanood mo rin to sa ating Facebook page. So, don't hesitate na mag-like and mag-follow sa ating Facebook page. Ganoon na rin sa ating TikTok, okay? Free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat ng ating mga videos, mga my dear Taurus. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po, and until next time, bye-bye! Thank you, my dear!